What we want to do now is talk about how to cut a Weasler PTO shaft to length. And a couple of things you want to keep in mind. If you have on the shaft, if you at the maximum extended length, you need about a third overlap if it's a shaft and a tube or if it's a profile tube. If it uses a slip sleeve, you only need to cover the slip sleeve on the extended size. And here's what you do to actually cover this. You're going to want to take the shaft. This shaft here, I told you all part numbers mean something. The part number on this one is a 1400 6127. 1400 is our designation for a complete shaft. The 61, 6 means it's a Bondioli shaft, 1's a 1 series, and 27 is 27 inches tip to tip. You measure tip to tip on it to get to 27 inches. Let's say we want to cut 4 inches off of this shaft. We need it 4 inches shorter. And the reason we would be because it would bottom out. We can't have it bottom out because then the tractor and the gearbox are in conflict and one of them's going to break. So what we do is to measure this shaft, we'd take it apart, we'd hook it up on the tractor and we'd hook it up on the gearbox, and we'd see at the shortest distance, which is going to be straight, that's going to be the maximum compressed length of this. It just can't bottom out. So let's say we measured it and we need to cut 4 inches off. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to cut 4 inches off of this shield, 4 inches off of this shield, 4 inches off of this shaft, and 4 inches off of this shaft. You can do it with a Sawzall or a hacksaw or however you need to do it. And then once you cut that off and put it back together, it's going to be 4 inches shorter overall. This works when you have two equal length tubes inside. If you had one unequal tube, one longer than the other one, you could take your distance off of it. But that's how you do a cut the length. All you're trying to do is keep it from bottom out because it's straight, it's the shortest distance. It could be 1/8 of an inch or more. And then when it goes up, it's going to telescope out. It's going to come back down to straight, which is 1/8 of an inch apart. And then when it goes down, it's going to telescope out. Thank you.